This is Doreen Velin. We're just going to this little art gallery here in Montreal, little free one. And what do I see? Oh my gosh, there's a room here with a group of 7. Oh, what a treat. Let's try it and see what's in there. This is the famous group of 7. This is by Lorenz, which is a landscape. Oil, obviously. Most of them worked in oil. And give you a little picture. This is done in 1923. A lot of brush strokes in here. A lot of texture, lots of texture, lots of texture. So this is A.K. Jackson, or A.Y. Jackson, and I have to apologize for Lauren. It's not a woman, it's a man, of course. I should have known. And this is one of his pictures. And some smaller ones here. Some of these really. I'm not going to say too much about them because I don't really see what they see. So I need somebody can help me, because this water is actually brighter than real life. In real life, it's quite muddy looking. It looks like you got some different shades of brown. They did put some turquoise with it to offset it and bring up the stones in there in the water. But I guess I consider that a pretty basic painting. Wonder how these guys got into the group of 7. I'm gonna have to look up some history now. Well, this is Lorenz again. Okay, Harris, he's one of the group of 7. This is an abstract art. So all this is a study, which means it was just a practice on paper. And this is the picture here. Well, this has been a real blessing. I have to say, I did make a mistake and thought that Lauren Harris was a woman, but of course I don't think there's any women in the group of 7. So it's Lauren as a male, and this is some of his paintings. Some of them don't turn me on much, but that's me. We all like our own style. And some of the stuff, I don't know why they got into the group of 7. I think it's going to lead me into a little bit more research on the group of 7. I haven't taken the time to look at that in my life, and I've been very remiss in that. And I have to say, as an artist, that's very bad. I should have actually looked into that more, because they're famous. They are our roots of our Canadian history. So I guess this leads me to more research. So I'll be researching for a while. I want to thank you for joining me. This is Doreen Velin on the little breeze I took through the group of 7. So maybe it'll help you to get into some research too on them, and maybe you can do some back and forth conversation, and you tell me what you've found and I'll tell you what I found, and I might even be mistaken about being no women in it. So let's find out. Thank you for joining me.